Okay, in this video, we're going to go through the setup for the UGC back office in your Safepal. So once you've created your Safepal wallet, you click on it, and then you're going to get your front page once you log in. This is the front page of your Safepal wallet, okay? We want to make sure we have the right coins. We need the BNB, and we also need the USDT-BEP20 or BEP20. So the way to get that in the front page is to click on the three dots beside the word all in the middle there. Click on it, and then click on Manage Coins. And on the top, you're going to type in USDT, and you're going to click on, or you're going to add the USDT-BEP20. I have mine on a toggle, but you might see a plus sign. Just click on the plus sign. I'm toggling it back on, and you'll see it on the front page of your wallet. Okay, so I'll have BNB at the top there, and USDT at the bottom there. And you can remove the other ones that are there. We may not need it for our purposes here, okay? So you can clean that up by managing the coins by clicking the three dots. Okay, the next step is to fund your BNB and to fund your USDT BEP20. In order to do that, you click on USDT BEP20 and then click Receive, and then you copy the address, and then you send your funds into this wallet from wherever your other funds are. It might be from another wallet in centralized exchange or another decentralized exchange, okay? So you bring the money in here. Similarly, you do the same thing with BNB. Click on BNB, hit Receive, copy the address, and then bring in your BNB. So you want to have a couple dollars is enough to have in BNB in order to pay the gas fees for transactions. And then you're going to bring in USDT BEP20 depending on how many slots you're going to buy. Okay, so I'm going to go through that. I'm going to put in about $10 to $12 in USDT, and I'm going to bring in some BNB in order for us to do the transaction. Okay, let me do that and I'll come right back. Okay, so I've added the USDT. I put $11 in there. I've also brought in BNB, $1 worth. As you can see there, that's enough for gas fees for the small transaction I'm going to be doing here, okay? So the next step is to copy your sponsor's UGC link. Okay, make sure you have it on your clipboard. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go through the sign up and set up for that. So we're going to go to Explore. I already have the link on my clipboard already. So you're going to click Explore at the bottom. And then on the top, you're going to hit Search dApps. And then you're going to hit Search at the top. And you're going to paste the link. Okay, paste that link right there like that. And then you're going to click on BNB chain. And it's going to take you into the UGC Protocol website. Okay, hit confirm here. And then log in with your fingerprint if you have that set up. Okay, this is where you're going to be setting up your username. Okay, so create a username. I'm going to put my daughter's name. Amelia. I'm just going to put number 99 with it. And then salvar, this is in Portuguese, just click salvar and save it. Okay, this is your back office. It's already set up now. If you click on the circle right beside the three lines on the top right, you're going to see your account. I'm going to click on it. It's going to show the account name. See that, Amelia99? So this verifies that you have your account set up. Okay, click the X. Then you're going to hit the three lines on the top right, and you're going to see details of your referral link. So you're going to see the link at the bottom, say UGC referral link. This is the link you're going to be sending to the people that you're going to be signing up, okay? So you just copy it. It says copy. Now you'll send that whichever way, through WhatsApp or email, whatever way you're going to help people set up. Okay. Now, what we're going to do now is going to buy the slots, okay? Going to click on 4x1 at the top, 4x1 matrix, and it goes to the slots section. Okay, we're going to buy slot number 1 because we have $11. This is only going to cost $10. I'm going to click on Unlock Slot 1, $10 value. I'm going to hit Confirm. And it's going to approve, go through the process of approving, hit Confirm. Make sure you have your BNB gas fees or else it's not going to let you buy the slot. I'm going to click on it to approve it, and then it will make sure that it goes through. You might have to do it twice because I think it goes through a second verification. Hit confirm, And I use my fingerprint to verify things. And then it's sending the funds to the UGC liquidity pool, and then you're going to get your first slot purchased. And then you're going to see this message. Click on access slot, and you're going to see that you have the slot activated. And you can see it in blue here, okay? If you want to buy another slot of $10, you're going to click additional slot, and you can buy as many as you want. Make sure you have the funds there in order to buy it, okay? And if you wanted to buy the second slot, slot number 2, you would click unlock slot 2, and you need to have $20 in your Safepal wallet, in your USDT-BEP20 in order to buy that. Okay, so this is how it's done. Very simple process. You can buy multiple slot number 1s. You can buy multiple slot number 2s, up to 5 of each of these. Slot number 3 as well, and slot number 4, okay? Each slot opens up levels of commissions, okay? So make sure you understand that in the compensation plan. Okay, the only way to access your UGC back office is going through your Safepal account or your Token Pocket account or your Trust Wallet, whichever wallet that you're using, okay? Just to make sure that you understand that. And that's it. You're all set. You're going to see your daily returns. Hit the X on the top right. It goes back to your Safepal wallet or your Token Pocket wallet, whichever one you're using. And you're going to see your earnings, your daily return on investment earnings, ROI they're called, in your USDT-BEP20 coin there, okay? So 24 hours from now, exactly 24 hours, I'll get my daily return. And if I sign up people, you're going to see the returns build in your USDT as well, okay? So make sure you send your link out, get them all signed up, and as soon as they buy a slot, your commissions are going to come right into your USDT. It's instant. Okay, thanks for watching.